we have to find r. R is the part of the fraction, it's in the denominator. Okay? In order to find r, we have to eliminate the fraction. Remember, anytime we want to eliminate fraction, we have to always multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Okay? So I'm going to multiply both sides equation by r. Okay? R and r will cancel out. And I'm going to have r q0 equals 2 pi f a r l. I'm looking for r. R is multiplied to q0. I do not want to have anything multiplied to r because I want to find r by itself. So in order to eliminate multiplication, I have to use division. And you have to always divide by the variable or the number which is next to the variable which I'm looking for. So in this case, I have to divide both sides equation by q0. q0 and q0 will cancel out. And I'm going to have r equals 2 pi f a r l over q0. And this is the solution to my problem.